Hello, Bernhard here. I'm an Agronomy Research Scientist, and today I'm out in a soybean trial we're conducting, looking at different seed treatments to control sudden death syndrome. These plots were planted on April 23rd into cool and wet soil conditions in Clinton, Illinois. We also inoculated every plot with the pathogen that causes SDS, Fusarium fragiliforme. And as we all know, when you're conducting a trial targeting a specific pest, you never actually get that pest in your trial. But not in this trial. This trial, we actually have successful SDS infection. So let's take a closer look. If you take a look at this plant here, you can see the visual foliar symptoms starting to show up from SDS. And you can see that these leaves are having interveinal chlorosis and necrosis. So the veins will remain green, but the leaf tissue around the veins will be turning yellow and even brown. Now typically you don't see this early in the life cycle of the plant. So these plants are only at about the V2 growth stage. Typically these symptoms from SDS will show up around R2 to R3 or later. But given the right conditions, you can get early SDS symptoms, as you can see here. Right now I'm standing between two plots. The plot on the right is seeds treated with Cruiser Max APX, which would be considered the check in this study. And then the plot on the left is seeds treated with Cruiser Max APX plus Saltro. And you can see that Saltro is providing protection against SDS. If you look closely, there is no symptoms of SDS with this plot on the left. Compared to the one on the right, or the check in this study, you can see some of these plants are showing interveinal chlorosis. They're not looking too healthy. Some of them may not even make it if you look at these plants here. And the difference is just striking between Saltro and the check. As a researcher, it's exciting to get the pathogen that you're targeting in your research trial. So I will continue to monitor these plots throughout the season and evaluate the effect that seed treatment has on SDS control. Have a great day.